mo?
Kailangan kasi natin ng complaint, not just a verbal or parang text lang. We need a proper complaint at ang mga makaka-assist. So we have the PNP, di ba, the offices that I've mentioned kanina, and they can also file with the law department. Pwede naman. Pero ngayon na may cellphone na, eto na yung pinakamabilis na paraan to show that they complied with their agreement with the buyer. But since it is prohibited and the vote buying and vote selling is in itself prohibited, mas lalong bawal yun. So kung ayaw nilang magbayad, ayaw din ng makasuhan ng isa, huwag na lang.
Kailangang formal complaint, hindi kinakailangan under oath. Ibato lang po sa ating pong committee, sila na ang bahalang mag-imbestiga. Sila na ang bahalang kumuha ng mga at mangolekta ng mga ebidensya. Para po hindi mahirapan at para nga po hindi matakot yung mga kababayan natin. At the same time, yung mga magko-complain po ng mga nakatanggap mismo, bibigyan po sila ng witness protection.
Any person otherwise guilty of vote buying and vote selling who voluntarily gives information and willingly testifies on any violation thereof shall be exempt from prosecution and punishment. So meron ho tayong whistleblower provision.